The derivative function. Here is a communication problem for you. Explain possible situations when the derivative of a function may not exist. So you have watched many videos where we have discussed this problem. It is for you to summarize it here, okay? So I'd like you to think over it and then answer the question. My suggestion is that when you explain this, you can explain like this also. You can break down your functions into two parts. Two parts like the functions which are discontinuous, right? So if the function is discontinuous, then at the point of discontinuity, derivative will not exist, correct? The other part is function may be continuous, but still we are not in a position to find the derivative. So the other portion could be when the function is continuous, right? And we are not able to find or calculate the derivative. So there are two possibilities, right? Now in each you can give examples. So type of discontinuities, think like this, type of discontinuities. And continuous but still the conditions. Think like this. That ways you are able to give a better answer. So discontinuities could be vertical asymptote, and what? Whole, right? And what? Jump discontinuity. So these are the possible discontinuities. And as far as continuous functions are concerned, discontinuous could continuous but still derivative is. Now as far as the continuous functions are concerned, the possibilities are we have a corner, or we can have a cusp, or we have a vertical tangent, right? So like this, if you explain, you are going to get most of the points. Corner means a function like this, which is absolute function. Cusp is like this with radical, right? And this is a function where the tangent line is vertical, right? So then you can give accordingly examples for each, correct? So corner is absolute x. Cusp is like x to the power of 3 over 2. And vertical tangent could be x to the power of 1 over 3. So these functions are continuous, but still the derivative does not exist for all of them at x equals to 0. Now in these types of functions, you could have 1 over x, right? Vertical asymptote at 0, correct? Whole at 0 you want? In that case, x into anything over x, for example. So x will cancel out, giving you a whole, right? Jump discontinuity, you mean? It could be absolute x over x. So it has a jump discontinuity at x equals to 0. And then you can explain that the derivative does not exist at x equals to 0 for all the functions I have given you here. So try to think about it and then give a good answer. I hope that will help you a lot. Thanks and all the best.